Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we will be playing this game I just got called Gorilla Tag. I've had it, but I've never played it. I joined, it made me do this tutorial and it looked fun. I talked to people, I guess. People taught me how to buy stuff, but I think I have bought something. I don't know. Let's get started, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's go. Okay, guys. So we are in people map. Going to go to school. Clown school! I am clown school! I'm pretty far.
Well, my VR is quite broken. It's not 2000%.
I died.
And it doesn't die. So.
You must be using the first one.
What are you talking about?
Okay, guys. Apparently, I just got sent to so we are exploring. How do I get up there? We can do it just exploring. We won't really play the game, guys, this time, but just explore.
I walk a while in these little toys. I know where these shoes are from.
Oh, I'm doing pretty good. There's nothing really over there. No pineapple. 2,000.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh, banana. I might buy that, but I only have. I'll check. How do I get up there? Okay. Okay, guys. We will go up here. We will play more next time, but it's just like everything. I don't know. Okay, what is this? 1,000 for ear things. That is dumb. What are these things? They're coming. Hey guys, I think I can hit this and then hit that. Oh no! Oh my gosh! I'm high. I'm super high. This looks like the Halloween. Okay, guys, we will go on to the next map because this one seems cool.
Where's it going out of the map? Hey guys, I may have found a new way to glitch out of the map.
We fall. Oh wait, we didn't explore all that. We're just exploring today. Cool area.
tagged, my boy.
I'm not even tagged. I'm not even tagged.
Bro, I just watched you. You literally tagged my man. Anyway.
Okay, guys, we are going on to the next map. Yay! What's down here? Warning: if you continue, you will leave.
I'm good. I don't know if you're 17. I will give you my
You sus.
I will give you my tip.
What?
You sus. I'm not joking. Sus.
Yes, I am.
Sus.
Oh, okay. Goodbye. Okay, guys, we are going on to the next map. Guys, and remember, next video,
Oh,
more.
this kid is retarded. Like, this kid is really mentally challenged.
3, 2,
Like, the red kid named Gorilla is really mentally challenged.
Okay, guys,
Hold on, I'm trying to get on this yellow
monkeys.
I'm coming.
Oh, cool crystals. This is just a crystal map, I guess. What's down here? Got some mine shaft. Dirt area. All right, a mine shaft. Let's go up here.
Look at this bozo right here. Look at this bozo right here. Look at these bozos right here. Oh,
And I'm in
God.
the crystal
Oh,
map.
oh, oh,
Random people.
oh.
Oh, you know,
Did
Black
it.
definitely using a voice.
Okay, guys. More down there. Ow, my leg.
Hey, white. Hey, white.
Oh, guys. The music area.
No. I tried helping you.
Okay, guys. We are going on to the next thing. Map, I guess.
Got his ass.
Okay.
Press the middle one.
Ooh, if I move my controller stick,
Press the
It's
middle
cool.
one.
that's cool. How do I get out of here, though?
I'm gonna. We have to put it in
Ugh,
the
push.
case in.
Push. Did it.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we are going on to the next map. Whoa, music! Yay! Where are we? Looks like the Grand Canyon.
Lava monkey, don't look behind you. Oh, you guys think you can escape from up there?
Bro, he's coming, he's coming. Follow me.
Okay, I'm a noob.
Help me.
Now we need to figure out how to get out of here.
Help me.
Green, where are you
That's
going?
cool. Can we get up here?
Oh, you're
Oh, oh, did it.
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit parkour. Oh, parkour. No, no, that's not work. Okay. What's over here? What's this? Oh, that's how we exit. More exploring. Next video.
Yo, Green, my boy, are you still alive? You still alive?
No.
No.
Do you know what the definition of racism is?
No, don't.
Okay,
Well, I'm
guys.
about to show you
Something's over there, but
if I can get back up.
oof. We guys, hello. We will do more exploring
Oh, fuck.
next time.
I hit my fucking controller.
Hey there.
Let me just go over here in the city. To come.
Get his.
Okay, guys, that was fun. Yay!
But this is a terrible combo, and I'm not buying it.
Okay, guys, that was super fun,
I know. Look at.
and we will do more next time. Yay! I love doing more next time. What?
They made a terrible update.
But guys,
Yeah, I mean,
next time
about
we will play more. Oh, look. We will do more
Like, they don't even
on this game, but it was a tour, and I try not to play it. And okay, guys, goodbye. Well, no, I'm sorry. I forgot one thing. You guys, if you played this game, make sure you. If you haven't played this game and you have an Oculus, you should play it because it is super fun. Super. And
No, this is the
I'm trying to do this, guys. Okay, guys, and goodbye.